Let's be real. Local SEO used to be a walk in the park. You'd optimize your Google business profile, sprinkle in some keywords, and voila, you ranked. But those days are gone. Now, people don't just Google things anymore. They ask ChatGPT, they ask Gemini, they say, "Hey ChatGPT, find me the best digital agency near me." And guess what? Those AI responses are changing local discovery faster than any algorithm update ever could. AI plus local equals the new search revolution. In this masterclass, I'll show you how to conquer local search with two game changers: ChatGPT for discovery and content, Google Maps for visibility and conversions. I'm Jia, and after 8 years in digital marketing, I can tell you this: whoever masters AI plus local search will dominate their city online. Let's break it down. People aren't typing "best dentist near me" anymore. They want personalized answers. AI engines like ChatGPT don't give you 10 results. They provide one trusted answer. But where does ChatGPT get that info? From Google Maps, local citations, and verified business data. Here's how it works. ChatGPT pulls structured business data, matches authority, summarizes, and recommends top local names. So, when you ask ChatGPT, "What's the best cafe for remote work in Bangalore?" it doesn't guess. It references Google Maps data, reviews, local mentions, and sometimes even local blogs. That's why businesses that get AI-driven visibility are ranking faster than ever. Let's talk about how AI interprets your local data. When ChatGPT or Gemini processes a local search, it looks for verified NAP consistency, schema markup, and entity connections. If your brand name, address, or phone number varies across directories, you confuse AI. And confused AI is invisible brand. That's why I always say local SEO in 2025 isn't about keywords. It's about clean, structured, and trustworthy data. Alright, let's get tactical. Here are 7 steps I use for clients to rank in both ChatGPT and Google Maps. 1. Perfect your Google business profile. Complete every field, upload photos, and respond to reviews. 2. Use AI to write local content. Create blogs and FAQs that mention nearby landmarks. 3. Build entity consistency across all platforms like Google Maps and Yelp. 4. Optimize for review velocity. Ask customers for detailed reviews. 5. Add local schema to define your location and hours. 6. Engage in local citations. Get featured on local news and directories. 7. Optimize for AI readability. Write clear, structured sentences with FAQs and bullet points. I worked with a fitness studio in Delhi that wasn't showing up in ChatGPT answers. We optimized their profile, added schema, and improved reviews. Within 45 days, they were in the top 2 results when someone asked about yoga studios. Another client, a dental clinic, saw a 38% increase in Maps traffic after optimizing their reviews. Here's the truth. Local SEO is merging with AI faster than most marketers realize. Soon, AI assistants will connect directly to maps and voice devices. Your listing, if optimized, will be chosen automatically. So my advice is simple. Start today. Structure your data, optimize your local footprint, and train AI to know your brand. Because if AI doesn't recognize you in 2025, your customers won't either. I'm Jia. If this video helped, drop a like, comment AI SEO, and subscribe. Next week, I'll show you how to train ChatGPT to promote your business. See you then!